Good morning. Hello. Fresh new day. Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Tommy. Good morning, Nina. Good morning. What's that name? B. Coast. Elia. Was. Marco. Good morning, everyone. Hey. Today is the fresh new day. How are you guys doing? 早晨. Alright, so yesterday, what happened to me yesterday, huh? If you ever remember, yesterday I actually write a trading journal for myself. Not just capture the trades. I mean, Chasilla helped me to do that. So all I have to do is just write the trading journal, the content. And if you ever watch ICT videos, you know the trading journal is actually a love letter to yourself. So instead of just describe what happened and blaming whatever you done, you should be encourage yourself and write something that can help you improve, help you to get better in the future, because you need to read those trading journals in the future. So this is important. When you feel like there's something's off, you can improve, you definitely need to write trading journals. Well, I used to write it every day, but because right now I got Chasilla and I take trades very often, I won't take trades once a day. So if I have to capture everything, it's quite hard for me. So I will only do trading journals when I feel like, oh, today is the day. Yesterday is the day for me. So even me, I've been trading for quite a while. I've been profitable. I still write trading journals. So for you guys, please don't forget to do that. Did anyone take this short or this long in yesterday pre-NY? And this is the neural session short. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Ho. Good morning, Dwayne, Ho Chi. Everyone, good morning. What did you write to encourage yourself? Well, I have to admit what I done wrong. This is so important. I took the short to this week. I took the short to here. I'm shorting from here to here, but small position size. But we have to admit what we've done wrong. We are over leveraging, we are over trading. But I think I'm quite good of sticking with my bias because I don't like flipping bias very often. But staying with the same bias doesn't mean you have to trade with that bias, right? So this is something I can improve. And I need to remind myself, I'm just a human being, okay? I'm not a robot. So wherever that can help you to improve, maybe you can just write a memo. Just write some notes and put it beside your computer, your keyboard. Make it to like a reminder. It's gonna help. Wherever that helps you to, just like ICT is talking to you right next to you. So all these things gonna help. Hey, don't call me Candy Crush, okay? It's not fun. So today we'll trade the Lucid account, which I just took the payout this morning, I think, before I go to sleep. So right now I can trade again. And for the Tradify account, I will need at least 3 days because of the 40% consistency rule. So I expect we can, well, after trading this Lucid account, I can trade the Tradify next week or other platforms. I'm still exploring more new platforms, to be honest. I'm not really care about the price, but the rules are important. All right. The consistency rule, the day loss limit, and the payout cap, like how many trading days do you need to get a payout? Are they paying people? Those things. These are important. Because I want something that I can trade in London session. I don't want to... I can trade my live account, but like... Since when we're trading platform, we got lots of rules, right? And you can't just trade like your personal capital. Because I don't get those rules. I don't have contract size limit. I don't have like maximum drawdown, everything. So I would better trade platform accounts during stream. What's your bias now? I don't have any bias right now. But just so you know, I want to mention this one. FX for a living. I don't know if you guys know him. It's a very great trader. Posted this yesterday. I actually forgot about that. Really giving credit to him to post this again. This is like a, can you guys see that? So this is actually a video ICT posted last year in September. It's called Trading All-Time Highs in Any Market, I think. You can just search it on his YouTube channel, ICT YouTube channel. So these are some key reference points we need to be like taking care of when we're trading all-time highs. So if anyone is interested in it, you can go watch this YouTube video. It's not that long, it's 18 minutes, so you can definitely watch it. So I will say like this one is very useful for us right now because we are in all-time high once again. So this is something that you can take a look. Alpha futures, I saw that it, like the first payout is 70% profit speed, and then second payout is 80%. Is that something like that? If that's the case, it's not very attractive. So let's take a look on today. So after this short, like this huge bearish move and the short in NYM session, we got some retracement back to here. And the outage gap still didn't close yet, like yesterday outage gap. So here, this is the Asia session. Maybe we should just take a look on the daily time frame first. Well, you can see that this daily candle body is closing completely inside this daily average, right? Completely inside. And the wick touched this order block. We chase again. For 4 hours, yes, the same. Also here, price touched the end dot, this yellow one, and then bounce again here. To be honest, I would say this one is quite suspicious, this eco low, but since we are quite bullish today, I mean the retracement that we should expect happened yesterday. So I would say we are still high time being bullish, but it didn't mean that we can get any short or any sideways during London session. So let me see. And for the Lucid account, so today I will be using Chase Sinker to copy Chase. After taking payout, so it's 3,000 each, right? So after taking payout, it will be 3,000 something, 3,800 each. For the remaining account balance instead of 4,500, because as a brand new 150k account, you should have 4,500 for your drawdown, right? But right now, it's 38 for me, so I gotta also keep it in mind. I can use like large position size for that. Who's that? You said you like MMA. I don't know who's those two person. I'm sorry. Those two people. Two fighters. I only watch UFC, but like, yeah, but I'm not. I can't remember the name. You know, those people's name are like. Oh, it's hard to remember. But if you show me their face, I will highly likely to understand like who that is. And also, if I get a winning trade today and we can get to 129, then we will get a giveaway. We need to trigger the giveaway. First, I gotta get a winning trade. This is the most important thing, right? Duck ways, yes, duck ways. I mean, I paid for premium for that duck ways. Of course, I need to. Oh my god! Oh, I miss it. I would just take a look on the phone, and then oh come on. I feel like it's heading to this liquidity chat, but like, come on, miss it. Oh come on, seriously? I'm gonna chase it. Chat, I'm gonna chase it. I'm sorry, but I need to chase it. I was just looking at the phone for a second, and then you gone. How can you do that? I'll use one contract today because it's like the risk reward ratio is not that good. Can you see that? Oh my god! Sorry. I think I entered in the wrong. Cut. Okay, yeah. Man, I want that fucking shit. I want this liquidity pool. But I need to check my stop loss first because right now it's 1-1, which is sucks. I need to check my stop loss first. It's a little better. I hope it got 1 to 2. Do we get 1 to 2? Probably not. But we did have some bullish FVG here. You can see the blue. So actually price may retrace after hitting this internal liquidity. And I am late entry. Well, it's so obvious I'm late entry. So I will just use one contract with this one. Because like I didn't get the best entry. I was late and we just hit some of the internal liquidity. So it's not a setup. If I enter here, or maybe here, with this like retracement this week, then it's a setup. But why not? I'm entering here. When I'm entering here, so it's not. It will be C setup for me. So I trail my stop loss just right above this order block, because if not, then I'm just really using 1-to-1 risk ratio, which I don't want it. So right now, if this turns out to be a losing trade, it will be 10 points, 10 points for one contract. That is a fake account. Yeah, I know, I was trying to block him, so that's why I was late. I saw some scams account. But we'll focus on trading first, okay? This is a trading live stream after all, right? This is the most important thing. But chat, like, don't copy my trades, because I need to admit something. We have to admit our own mistakes. I did get it late. It's so obvious. It's late. I mean, it's so late. Why would I say it's too late? Because when this bearish candle like appear, it's already swept this minor sell side liquidity, and also dip into this bullish FVG. So it's not ideal. It's a bad example. But I just feel like the grid pool is very tempting. That's why. And we did get a total shoot. We got this retracement, so it's worth a try with one contract. It's not like over-leveraging or anything. Because if we short here or short here, we can simply take partial here. And here, right? This is another sell side liquidity. This too is actually a take partial point for us. But instead, because of the late entry, I can take partial here. So this green candle is the daily candle, this big green candle. Trading Bible just said it's going up, you are all idiots. Well, even if it's going up, you don't have to curse us, right? You don't have to call us idiots. Even if we warn about the bias, if we get a losing trade, why are you doing this? Like, are you happy because you call us idiots? Like, we don't do this thing here. We don't have to agree with each other's bias or chase or even trading approach. But we don't do this here, okay? We don't curse people. So you will get your shadow ban. And then haters will just call me like I ban random people on the chat, right? But if you talk like this, you will get banned for sure, okay? You don't have to agree with me or with the chat or with our chase, but you don't shout at each other. Right now we are stuck here. It's really sad that I didn't get before this bearish candle. What about MNQ chart? I'm not sure. I mean, because I'm not watching NQ chart, so I don't know. This can be an A+ setup if we enter here, because if we enter here, we're already taking partial, right? If we take partial, then it can be a losing trade. It will be a winning trade for sure. But since I can't take partial here, so I'm actually increasing my risk for this trade. And the only thing I can do is reduce my position size, which is I normally use 2 or maybe 3. Right now I only use 1. So this is the only thing I can do to reduce the position size. I can't just like push the stop loss to break even right now, because we did get some space, like some PDL rate for price to retrace. It is reasonable if price want to retrace back to this CB, right? Because we just sweep 2 minus sales liquidity and we touch 2 internal liquidity. So like that's how we manage the trade. It's not like you can enter with late entry, but you have to understand when you enter with late entry, that means you're reducing your probability to get a winning trade, and you are risking more because of the risk ratio. But it depends on you. I know there's a lot of people want to just enter with A+ setup, and there's nothing wrong with it, right? If that's your trading approach. And you can get higher win rate for that too. But just for me, I tend to enter even for C+ setup. If you guys remember last week on the stream, I was so sad about missing the entry, right? I'm not sad about losing trade, but missing the entry, I was like, oh my god. So that's why I know enter with B+ and C+ setup is something I need. Because you know what hurt my mental capital the most? Not losing trade, but missing those entry. I know myself so well, so I tend to get into those C+ setup. But with calculated risk channel, right? Remember to use risk management for every trade. Morning, Ray. How are you? Ray now has become the best trader in the chat. I should listen to you. I regret for the long yesterday. Right now, Ray is the signal. It's the signal for this live stream. You sometimes miss trade and FOMO trade. Feels so bad. I understand. I feel you can. Yeah, you need to know like what is something that you are not good at handling. Is that over leveraging? Is that over trading? Revenge trading? FOMO? Or not patience enough? And then focus on that point to improve. But I feel like it's good for me to live stream here, because even I get tilted, I'm not like going crazy tilted. I mean, because it's live stream. And I didn't edit any stream. Like all stream is here. And I didn't change anything or delete the stream just because I got losing trade or losing streaks. It's all here. Even if I blow up all the streamers here, you can just go watch it. I'm not hiding anything. That short yesterday was incredible, yes. But did you like hold the trade until the end of the London session? Like until pre-NY, I guess. Oh, actually after pre-NY we got long before market open, right? We got a bullish move before market open. But I didn't get in that long because I literally got scared by those bearish moves. So I missed that long too. But to be honest, this trade, we won't make a lot of money for this trade. It's 20 points only because of the late entry. And I can scale in more contracts because this is a late entry. And here is already like I think 75% of the range, so it's too late to scale in. But yeah, let's show some trades here, right? I don't like just we live stream for 3 hours, but we got nothing for the whole stream. I would rather just try something. No matter it's losing trade or winning trade. At least I can show you how I manage the trade, right? Like what make me want to enter the trade, what make me want to take parcel, why would I target this liquid pool, things like that. I'm like demonstrating something, not just chit-chatting. Which is chit-chatting is great. I love bantering with you guys. You're gonna hold till Asia low. Where is Asia low? Let me take a look. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That is so far. No, no, I don't think so. I mean, this is the low of this candlestick. So low. Nope. This liquid pool is gray, right? Even before this retracement happened, I will already mark this equal low out. I will say this. I said that it's gray, right? You can watch the replay. But we keep talking, and then we miss this thing. You saw Patrick trade live 5 contracts long, then lose, then make a YouTube short and get 76k views. I should make some YouTube short, you know? I should make some YouTube shorts. Come on. I need some help for those short. But also I'm not like I didn't turn on the camera, so if I want to edit something, it's hard to edit. Okay, I will take that as reference and see what I can do. So we just touched the midnight opening price, which is the like 12 in Eastern time, 12 a.m. I think I will just hide these high time frame candles. There's time for YouTube shorts. I need some help. I didn't get what I need. I'll think about that. Okay, I'll think about that for sure. Your explanation on what you're looking for in this market is great insight. Thanks for sharing. Thank you, Andrew. I hope you did find some value here, no matter what. Okay, we're not doing education here, but I hope you have some fun here. Okay, we just touched the 1 hour average here. I still have confidence that we will get into this equal low, but I'm not so sure if we got retracement first. And also, I think you realize that I love this displacement, right? Sometimes this displacement is actually a signal for me that, okay, right now this is the thing that we're looking for. Maybe, for example, like this, right? This kind of displacement will be something we look for. This one's actually a great, I would say this bullish move will be a B plus setup, because like, we got a average here, and we got a gray displacement here. Also, we got retracement here. If you enter or scale in one more contract with this retracement, it will be gray. And take parcel here, and then TP here with gray. But why it's not 8%? Because we created a equal low here. But I guess we got like bullish SMT with ES at that time. So, but like, I would still prefer a liquidity sweep rather than SMT, for real. There are AI models to do it for you. Come on, please, for whoever who understand how to add this short, please tell me in the Discord. You short tier 1 224. 224 is like here, right? Okay. Oh, come on, the retracement just happened. We just got a bullish candle. I really want to trail my stop loss, but like, I don't even know where to trail. Maybe just a few points. Even if I trail, that's just a few points. Doesn't really help a lot. Because we got a CB here, right? So I just feel like if we get retracement, it's still a reasonable key level for price to retrace in. So I can just like put it into this break even. Not a very ideal trade, I gotta admit that. One more ad? No. Too late to scale in anything. If I enter here or here, I will scale in with this displacement. But since we enter with this displacement, so no, it's not like you can, but like just too risky for a late entry, I would say. Like for myself. Oh, we got a retracement. See? That is sucks. Well, I mean, I have to take responsibility for this late entry. So here we got I gotta zoom in. This is the volume imbalance. So price is retracing with this bullish volume imbalance here. Just a wick touching this order block. You push stops to break even in case it runs off. Sure. Yeah, just you don't have to copy like my advil move. You have to do whatever you need to based on your risk tolerance and also your account balance. Like for example, this one you can chain Michaels, right? Of course you can. Well, this one is looking good. I mean, the wick touched the order block and also the low of this BC. Oh, not BC, CB, I'm sorry. So the wick touching the low is and not even get into the CB, which is great. Not much for this shape compared to what we usually make, but still, at least we got a target. And it's playing out, I mean, for the trading plan. If it retraces, you can re-enter. I'll just say macro time. And I tend to close the trade and the most obvious liquidity pool because like, for example, we got a lot of LRL here, right? I know that. But like this one is just so obvious. This is a cripple. Even if you're blind, you can watch it. I don't know how to explain it. It's just so obvious. And if you look at ES, you can see we also got a lot of LRL on ES. So I will agree with Wei that price may keep going down after stripping this cripple, but like I just tend to close a trade here. I mean, I definitely want to make more. I mean, I'm using one contract and I can make over 1,000 with this trade. So, but like, yes, that's just like just my trading approach. Even if you buy, you can watch it. The miracle worker. It's just so that obvious. That's what I want to describe. We just created a equal here with 2 wick. I still partner with the NAP? No. But they are hosting great stream on what I think is called the Lab Live. So you guys can go watch it and subscribe. But of course, sometimes we have we live stream at the same time. So if you want to watch them, please also watch me. Please watch us at the same time. You don't have to choose one, you can watch at the same time. Do you only stream on YouTube or inside your Discord? I only stream on YouTube right now. Yes, sell side is taken. Oh my god, no way. We got a reversal here. Let me take a look on ES. What happened on ES, huh? But we still got a lot of like sell side crit here on ES. ES just take one swing low, right? That's also equal low for ES, so we may still got the chance. But I will keep an eye on that. Thank you for reminding us. Oh, come on. Just 3 more points. Get the money back. You speak Cantonese, very cool seeing similar traders. Are you from Hong Kong? Yes, I'm from Hong Kong. Though I'm not living in Hong Kong currently, but yes, I'm from Hong Kong. You speak Cantonese, where you come from? I know like many traders from different countries can also speak Cantonese. Are you living in Hong Kong now? No. Oh my god, we chase again. This volume imbalance just can't let us get our TP, huh? But like usually volume imbalance is not that strong compared to FVG. So this one is really holding price. Fit now. Okay, cool. I don't know people there. Oh my god, that bullish candle. Chat, we probably just gonna get our first losses for today. You speak broken Cantonese. It's okay, I speak broken English too. Man, you can't even give us 300 bucks. It's not even 3,000, it's just 300 and you retrace. Alright. Seems like that, yes, sell side credit sweep is a thing. It's a thing. I would like the CB to hold the price. If not, then we're probably in danger. But I'm not moving my stop because 10 points for one contract is the cost I pay for this trade. and I'm willing to pay for this. That is something I know before entering. When you get late entry, when you can't take puzzle, something like this happen. Hey Ryan, welcome. You can just witness my first losing trade on this stream. So we just touch this CB. We will see if price can hold. This PDA array can hold it. If not, then okay, the next is my ass, as always. Next is my ass. %100 bias on order flow. I didn't use order flow though. Check, we got wet again. You see here? We got some wet. You feel guilty? Man, I hope it's just a retracement. But like let me take this out. And this one. Okay, so we got a huge breakaway gap here. So seems like it's not just a retracement. Your psychology with trading is so good. How did you get to this point? Am I? I just feel like not because of this stream, because today is the first fresh new day. Yesterday my psychology wasn't good. Yesterday I was going insane. If you want, and you can go watch it. I don't have good psychology every day. I'm just a human being. I'm just like every traders. I have good days, bad days, winning days, losing days. But yeah, in long terms, I am profitable very much. So it's always based on your average win rate and risk reward ratio, also your costs and your revenue on those platforms. So just calculate all those numbers and you will know if you're a profitable trader or not. Not just depends on one trade, one session, or one day. You watch later. No. Those are not something good to watch though. But yeah. I mean, you can, it's not like you can learn anything, but I would say it's not the best stream. It's not even good for entertainment. Audio is cutting out for you. Oh, really? Maybe it's the internet? I don't know. I feel like my internet's okay. Alright, so it's no longer a breakaway gap anymore since we got a wick down here. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to scale one more contrast, but like it's too risky because of this late entry. You definitely come for the entertainment. Okay, awesome. I'll give you the entertainment. Was that just a poor attempt to get back above Monday low? Where is Monday low? I'm so sorry. Is that like? I really want to get in one more contract. What do you think? Should I? No, I think no. Just stay with that. It's a late entry after all. But right now, it's just push my stop loss to this swing high. Because I was waiting for the retracement, right? I talked about it so many times that if price want to retrace, we got a CB here. It's so reasonable for price to retrace here. That's why I like put it a little higher. But right now, that retracement happened. So if it's gonna go up again, that means that this liquidity pool is not something gonna happen right now. And my trade idea for this move is wrong, it's invalid. So that's why I can move the stop loss from the order block to this swing high. Like the thing that I am expecting to happen already happened right now with this retracement. What do you do when you don't trade? I hit the gym. I would either hitting the gym or walking on a walking pad. I just want to get healthier. Because I want to drink more, you know how hard it is to stay sober for 4 months. I'm now staying sober for 4 months. And when I get healthier, oh, come on. I'll get all the drinks I can. Okay, volume imbalance. I know you're strong, but that's enough. No more holding price. Okay, VI, what are you doing here? This volume imbalance, what is this? It is acting like first presented average, you know, this VI. Oh, come on. For real? For real? I can't believe that. Anyone heard of ICT Platinum model? Yes. It's a relatively new model compared to the old Chan 2 and Turtle Soup. Chat 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let me take a look. Nothing special for 15 minutes as I see. It's strong because it's his first BC of the move. Really? But it's not like first FVG of the London session. It's of the move, yes. This is the high resistance liquidity run. We keep holding price with the same PD area over and over again. Like how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th time that the same PD area holding price at that key level. It's like UFC fights at that level. Corner, yeah, I'm so excited to watch Corner's fight. I mean, I kind of jealous those American. They can watch it. They can. It's happening in US, right? I guess. Like for example, the White House fight. Whoa! I mean, if I'm American, I'll definitely fly to there to watch that fight. Come get this money back. Thank you. Where are you going? No, don't rechase. Where are you going? Come on. Here, here. No more wick. No more. Hey, 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 don't go. Don't. Come back. Come back. Oh. Khabib took the soul of Conor. Oh, really? Oh, really? UFC White House fight not open for public? Oh my god. I'm so sorry to hear that. Oh, I just closed it. Man, yeah, I'm not making much. I know. I know that before I enter this trade, but at least the liquid pool that we've been targeting since we are here, it did happen, right? The trading plan, this play out. We didn't get the best energy. We're not entering with a bigger position size, but everything plays out. The retracement that we expected, that's why we didn't push stop loss to break even. It happened, right? The creep pool happened. No bullish SMT, nothing. Turtle shoot, great, everything. I would say this move is perfect. It's textbook move. But yes, I'm not getting textbook trade because of Lei Yanqi. I have to admit that. But this kind of move is textbook move. If you chase something like this every day, every session, you know you're rich. That's you rich. You're gonna be rich with just something like this. So who is still holding price? Who's still holding the J? I heard like way you're expecting to enter here, I guess, right? Like holding the price. No problem to hold that till down below. Just remember to take partial and push your stop loss to break even. All right, chat. Always partial pays the trader. If you ever watch my stream, you know how important to take partial because I didn't take partial, and that's what happened to me. Blow up, losing trade, everything. One more trade today. Yeah, I will look for one more trade definitely because like $300 is not gonna change anything, right? And you can take a look on Trade Sinker. So, yeah. Well, I got to, if I want a 3,000 pair cap, again, I have to get to 6,000 at least. But if I want more buffer for my accounts, then I will need to make more. Because when I get to 6,000 and I take 3,000 payout, that means those accounts only get 3,000 for the max drawdown. So if I make more, it's benefiting for these accounts, but it's not necessary. It's not necessary. You can still stay with 6,000. Just if we see something good, we will trade it. Muted. Oh my God. What is the last thing you heard? I was talking about the social media platform. Did you guys hear that? So I was under attack for quite a while on this social media platform from some of the Cantonese traders. Okay, I will say it again. So some of you may already know that those haters and trolls been attacking me on threads for over 1 month. They're spreading rumors and lies about me. So you can see that they won't do it on Twitter or YouTube because they know I got a bunch of followers here. So they do it on this social media platform called Threads, which if you got Instagram account, you will get also a Threads account for free. Yeah, so if you can follow me on Threads and click like or leave some comment on my post, I would be really appreciate. Because they've been keep on spreading lies there, and despite I've been clarifying those things for lots of time. For example, here I show my chase, winning chase, losing streaks, blow up everything on live stream in real time. You can see it all here, right? But they keep just spreading lies. And also, I don't even do that on YouTube. Like, I post about my Apex account here. So this is me posting a video showing how many accounts I got from Apex, which is, this is a screen recording. So I got 381 showing this is the total PA I got. I didn't even do it on Twitter. Like, I never post something like this on Twitter. So I really want to prove that, yeah, not like making stuff here, but after that, they are still keep on attacking. So I would love to have some of your support. Just if you can, please follow me there and like my post and leave some comments. Really appreciate it. Because we love you. Oh my God. I love you all too. We don't have to like shout at each other. We don't have to curse them or anything. Just, you know, your follows and your support. That means a lot to me. That's all I need, and that's enough for everything. Oh, price keep dropping. Keep dropping. It's friends. It's friends. But you can log in with your Instagram account. So I pinned that link on the pin. I think I pinned the link, right? Yeah. Thanks for free stream. Always, always. Thanks for coming to my stream. You know, because of you, I can get to streaming. I mean, if no one's coming to my channel to watch my stream, then what am I gonna do here, right? So thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. It sounds like an ending phase, but like, no, we're not ending the stream right now. Okay, I'm still gonna look for something else. Look for more chain setup today. I will hide the chart, like the linear chart first. So like, yeah. Since we already got something we need, I will just delete this money back. Is that okay? You got 1.1 million payout. Yes. Oh, you don't know that vibration EQ? Oh my God. See, I'm not actively promoting myself. After getting this payout, I actually have a break. Have a break for a few months. I didn't even active on social media. If I'm someone that who want a lot of attention, a lot of commission on affiliate, I should be promoting myself, right? I should keep making YouTube videos about how I get this payout, everything. Or get to those podcasts where I got invitation from those interview podcasts. I got all this, but I didn't go. But that's not enough for the proof, right? People just want to ask for more. Keep on asking for more. Happy for me. You guys can do that too. You do not have to be like million, but 100K payout, 500K payout, that's awesome, right? That's enough for life changing. That's great. You comment on my expo about L. Thank you, Ray. What ICT model do you use? You mean the trade I just took today, or you like in generally? Well, in generally, I usually use turtle soup model, and in the past, I tend to use Chain 2 model and silver bullet. But with that turtle soup model, I got my own interpretation. Like I changed a little bit, and I think everyone should adjust the model too, because you need to let that model to fit in your lifestyle, your personality. You can't just, when you first learn that model, yes, you have to emulate what ICT do. But after a while, after backtesting, tape reading, you know yourself, like what kind of person you are when you're trading. Then you can adjust that little things with that model and make it become your customized model. You know me already way before my big payout. Appreciate that. Exactly, that's the reason. You know why? On Twitter, like I've been on Twitter since Chain 3, and at that time I'm not active. I'm not getting a lot of payout, and I have a lot of struggles. I actually post about how I cry about losing trades overnight, right? And those things, if you follow me on Twitter, you will definitely see all those shit. But on Threads, people didn't know that. People only realize me after I get that huge payout. That's why they will only see the good thing about me. They didn't see my struggles. But I get a lot of struggles. And I post it all on Twitter. Chain 2 and Silver Bullet are awesome, but they are not mechanical execution. Okay, I can understand what you mean. Yes, exactly. That's also one of the reasons that retracement is great. It retraced to the CB. The reason that I left Silver Bullet is because the time window for Silver Bullet is 1 hour, right? And I tend to start looking for that Silver Bullet setup right when that time window begins. But it gonna get me that I just want to be, I'm FOMO at that time. Because, okay, it's 10 a.m. now, so it's Silver Bullet time. Let's get in a Silver Bullet setup. But actually, that's not a setup. But I just want to get in. I just feel like this is the one. And I feel like I can't change it. Well, I will keep on thinking about that. So maybe Silver Bullet is not something that is suitable for me. It's not like it's not a profitable trading strategy. It's not a good strategy. Just not good enough for you. It's not suitable for you. It's not fitting your personality. So you gotta try a few models, maybe MMXM, right, or other things. You know which one is best for you. What is my Twitter? My Twitter, you should see it on the screen on the right corner. It's Candy the Trader. Plus Ouch Chase. Okay, is that okay, is that Oli? Sorry, it's been a while. I'm not really sure if it's the same person. Was it yesterday we were talking about people blaming others, especially blaming wealthier, but they are poverty mindset people and just jealous, not willing to put effort into improving their own lives? Yes, I think so. Yeah, we can't always blame others. We definitely need to have some self-reflecting. It's oily, right? It's not oil. Hey, I'm still using your indicator, you know? You see this midnight opening price? This is one of the indicator that made from Pulse Ultra Chase. And I think he also got other indicators, which is very useful. But, you know, I'm not good at adjusting indicators. So if anyone is interested on those indicators, you can reach out to Pulse Ultra Chase and see if he got anything that you will find valuable and can help your trades. Okay, I will delete this equal low since we already got that. How long does it take to become profitable? You've been trading future for 8 months now, still see no result. 8 months is just so you're still newbie. I would just say like consider it like college, like university. You need to study 3 to 4 years for a university bachelor degree, right? And if you want to get professional, you have to spend more years for a professional license. And for trading, how are you gonna expect you can get it in 8 months? Right? You can't even finish a bachelor degree with 8 months. But this is something that's gonna be life-changing skill for you. You can change your life or change your family tree, right? So yeah, you definitely need to spend more time on it. And also 8 months, and I'm not talking about you, but also other people. Some people say I spent 3 months, but what is that 3 months? It's just every weekend. It's every weekend. So 4 weekends is 1 month. What they consider as 1 month is 4 weekends. That is not 1 month. That is 8 days, right? So are you really spending that whole month on trading, studying trading, or you actually just spending 8 days a month on trading? You need to think about that. That's why some people learn it faster, some people are slower. It's not like they're like not clever, not smart. It's they didn't really spend that much time. It's not really 1 month. It's actually a few days in that month. Thank you, John. Support you on front. Appreciate that. For real, I appreciate every one of you who support me on Threads with the bottom of my heart. Oh, we got a huge bearish candle here, huh? But I gotta say, these kind of retracement. Oh, I mean, for something like this one we chased so hard here, and this one also we got to CB here, and it we chased to the second CB. So if I'm holding price, holding position here, I'm not happy about it. I mean, I can accept price we chase to the first CB. I mean, it's just a normal price action, but it come all the way to the second one. If you are the one holding price, you will probably hesitate. Like, maybe I should just close the trade here, or just trail my stop loss. So this kind of price action just sucks. I don't like trading with this kind of retracement. If you spend more time on yourself on learning trading, you will learn trading quicker. Self-control, fighting the fear and greed. Exactly. Let's give away. You do it on forex? No. There's a lot of haters on forex, so I'd rather do it on YouTube. I mean, I like here. I like the live chat here. Do you guys wanna give away? I mean, I got the winning trade. Oh, we don't got enough lights, so we can get to the we can trigger a giveaway. Hey, I got a W. That is the first criteria. We just have to get into the second criteria. When we get to 120 likes, we will get a giveaway. Forget the giveaway. We want the duck ways. Why you like duck ways so much? Or do you want to like spin the wheel? You got something like the wheel, but I think that way is fun, right? I learned it from what's her name? Mary Ann, something like that. A female YouTuber. I saw the duck race on her YouTube channel. I was like, oh, so fun. We're going for, that's 247 here. Yes, this is 247. See, I said Ray is the best trader in our chat. You know, he got all the signal we need. Yes, the Fred account is the same as my Instagram. It's called Candy the Trader. It's a silver bullet shade. Yes, it is a silver bullet setup. It is. But I think you can get why I don't like silver bullet anymore. Well, I tend to chase silver bullet for I think at least whole year, so and it's profitable, but I just don't like it anymore because like you see, if I enter here, it's not. It's we've been a long way from the top, right? And also, I just tell you that I don't like price rechasing back to the second CB with this range. So that's the reason why I don't like silver bullet anymore. And for stop loss, I will need to put, if I enter here, I will need to put my stop loss to here, at least. Or at least here, this order block. Muted? No, I'm just not talking. I'm drinking water. Warren just cover all here. Congrats for whoever got more profit with this short. I hope we all win today, right? No matter it's just a few $100 or a few $1,000. Great trade, everyone. For those who hold the price till the end, you're a very patient trader. You know, give yourself some shit for today because you're doing really well. And also about like if we should celebrate about winning trades, I would say it depends on your personality. Because you can try if celebrating is gonna like affect your emotions, affect your trades or not. So I would say for me, a little celebration is quite good, to be honest. It's not like you have to open a champagne or something like that, but if you did do something well, right, so you should keep on encouraging yourself. Because I just feel like this is also something that is controversial, that if we should celebrate a chase or we just act like nothing happened. If you celebrate wins, you also need to celebrate losses. Well, it's okay if you feel sad about losses, but like don't cry for it, okay? Don't cry for the losing, but we're human being. I mean you're just simply telling a human being which have full of emotions to become a robot, which is not realistic, but control that. I mean you can have emotion, but you have to control it. Like after you having that emotion, you need to go back to normal. Just you can't stay driven in that emotion for a long time. Are you always taking your entries on 1 minute chart? Yes, most of the time. Also 15 seconds, also 30 seconds. But for London session, it's hard to take on 15 seconds because like we don't have much liquidity compared to New York session. So 30 seconds is okay. Oh, just hit your 247, 27, 247. Just hit. Celebrate following system, not wins or loss. Yes, if you're following your rules, definitely need to celebrate. But for example, if I follow my rules but I get lost, I won't celebrate. I would say I'm not gonna be sad about the losing trade, but I can celebrate for it too. I can't celebrate for all losses. I'm so sorry. But I will tell myself, I try my best on following the rules and my trading plan. Seems like today FOMC London is... Oh yeah, right. Today we got FOMC at 2 and then also 2:30. So Power will be finishing his job, right? So we got a new person to be the chairman, the next FOMC chairman. Also, we got Google, Meta, and Amazon earnings at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So we got a lot of things gonna happen today. So be careful when you're trading your session. Wash is the new guy. Okay. You just re-enter, then where are you gonna put your stop loss? You know what? Those haters just never stop. You know, no matter how many times I talk about that, they just keep spreading lies. And I just warn you here, okay? I know haters, you guys are just listening. You better stay anonymous for the rest of your life, because the day when you reveal yourself, reveal your name, your face, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue them all, you know? The first thing they're waiting for you when you reveal yourself is a lawsuit. I don't care if you're fresh graduate or college students, because all you are talking about is lies, simply lies. I got evidence, I got everything, I can prove it. So if you keep just spreading rumors, you better stay anonymous for the rest of your life. I'm gonna sue you all. And I will win those lawsuits because I did have all the evidence, everything. You think just spreading lies with anonymous can, you know what, give you some attention or exposure? No. You're doing something bad for your reputation. You know, I'm here trading live. When I'm trading on live stream, you think I'm gonna tell lies, you know? All the chat know what my trading approach is. I go aggressive. So I get a lot of blow up on funded accounts, but I also make a lot of payout. You can see it with all my payout record. And I didn't post every payout because I didn't need to prove anything of myself and of my trades. I prove it on live stream. But I got all those records. So if we go out and you bet against me, you know, I raised a suggestion. I told those haters, whoever can prove that I'm a fraud, that I'm telling lies, they can get 1 million Hong Kong dollars. But instead, if it's the opposite, that I can prove that I'm the real deal, I got all the payouts and more than they ever imagined, I will get 1 million Hong Kong dollars from them. And they are not willing to do that, you know? But they just tell us that they got so many payouts. Why can't you get 1 million Hong Kong dollars? Why can't you, huh? Yeah, I'm ignoring them, but they just don't stop, you know? You want attention, right? I give you the attention. And now it proves that they are not willing to come out to bat against me. That's mean what? They know they are telling lies. They're not willing to reveal themselves, their name, their face, because they are telling lies. When they reveal themselves, they will get a lawsuit. They will get legal troubles. That's why they can. But I got all these things out here. You know, I'm not afraid of this. They are the one who are telling lies. Just imagine, if I am the one who tells lies, I will lose that 1 million Hong Kong dollars to those who ever prove that I'm a fraud, right? And I got my face, my name here. So if anyone want to get a lawsuit with me, they can do it. But why didn't I get anything? Why? I'm just out here, right? Why I didn't get any lawsuit from anyone? Because I'm telling truth, and you guys are telling lies. Yeah, trolls. Because they want commission. They want affiliate commission. That's why they do it. Those people got a redemption platform, something like that. And they got all your datas. Now you can see, like, it's just so horrible, you know? People just doing all this shit just for a little money. I mean, you definitely won't make much on commission, rather like compared to your trading, your payout, right? My main income was always trading. And I believe most of you, despite of your full-time job, your trading income should be like large amount compared to any other side hustle. But you still want to attack people just for those little commission. It's crazy. Ignore haters. I'm trying. But they keep on attacking me, you know? They keep on spreading lies. Barking dogs, because they never bite. Yes, you're right. It's just so funny, right? They can't even prove anything. If you're so sure that I didn't get those payout, right? Then why can't you just step out and bet against me? Why can't you? Huh? Because you know I got those proof. And I prove so many times. I prove it with, I just show you the Apex account. I prove in live stream, everything. Not enough. They will keep asking for more. Next time, they will ask for my bank statement, probably my tax statements, or more. I don't know, identity card, something, address. They will keep asking for more. And I can't keep on proving myself. It is something never ends. So if you want me to keep on proving myself, you got to also pay something. You got to bet against me if you really think I'm a fraud or something like that. They can. MT can rattle louder. What is the Korean verse of that? I can't understand that. Can you type in Korean? We know you're the genuine. Thank you. Thank you everyone in the chat in this stream. But I didn't get those haters to affect my trades. I still trade normally, But when I have time, of course, I gotta deal with those trolls. Why prove to anyone? Yeah, it's not necessary. But I did provide proof, not once, but twice, a third time, and every day on live stream. But that's not enough for them. They still need more. Until the day I die, they will keep ask for more. Are we looking for short? But we've been distributing for quite a while. I just want to look for more something that make me confident to enter and got a great risk reward ratio. They're only targeting you because you have made. No, because I'm the only one left in Hong Kong. Like TPT cut all their affiliate, and I'm the only one left in Hong Kong. That's the reason, That's why they're targeting me. But I'm not the one who made the decision. It's not me telling TPT to cut other affiliates off, right? I didn't do anything. But I'm the one who left, so they're jealous. They feel like I stole all this commission from them. So that's the reason they attack me. That's the ultimate reason. Don't be angry at them. Actually not really angry, but it's kind of annoying if you keep on getting these rumors and live, but you can't do anything with them, right? Because they didn't reveal themselves, they stay anonymous. So you can't sue them directly. So you cannot do anything. No matter how many times you prove yourself, they're still gonna spread those rumors and lies. But it's just so funny. If they think that I'm a fraud, why didn't they just come out and face everything, right? If I'm the fraud, then they should be suing me. I should get those legal troubles. I didn't get anything. How you hold your profitable trades? You feel so anxiety? You feel anxious? Are you risking too much? If you are risking more than your risk tolerance, you will feel anxious. And also you have to take partial every time price with some sell side or buy side liquidity. And also travel stop loss. This kind of trade management will help to reduce this anxious. But if after all you did, like you are trading with your acceptable risk tolerance and you take partial, you trail stop loss, you still feel anxious, then it's actually the time for you to close the trade. Because you're hurting your mental capital. exam, you're late. But thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in though. Looks like yesterday. Oh, the more you reply them trolls, the more you feed and make them come at you. Best to ignore. I try to ignore them, but like they keep on spreading lies and rumors. And when I ignore them, they would say, "Oh, she's a real fraud. See, I mean, she's not willing to reply us. She's not willing to prove herself." Things like that, you know. So they would take it as advantage. So I'm just gonna reply them one last time. Oh, huge bearish move here. Ray, you just got your 224. You just got your 224. Oh my god, Ray, are you gonna do some live stream? I'm gonna watch your live stream. You are signal providers. You're one of most transparent. Exactly, I did everything here. They expect me to post every payout, which I didn't. I didn't even post my TBD payout or any other performance I got. No, I don't post every payout. Because if you post every payout, I tried to do that when I first started posting on Twitter. People will just feel like you're not providing value on your social media because you're just like showing off when you keep on posting shit. I realized that at that time. That's why I'm not like posting every of my payout. And my trading approach is to doing it aggressively, which including blowing up accounts. And I've done that. I've done that on stream, so you guys know what I'm gonna do with my trades, my accounts, how aggressive I am. And I don't want to go to live accounts. I've talking about this since day one. Since day one. I don't want live accounts. I got my own live personal capital. Trading fund accounts is actually a benefit for me. But for some of the people, they are not, right? And they expect everyone have to act like them, have to trade like them. Or if not, those people are forced. Those people sucks. Okay, so 12. Man, can we get into 120 likes before I go off the stream? Because I need to get out I need to get off the stream at 12:30. No, I need to get out of 12:13. 15. So if we can get into 120 likes, then we won't have that giveaway today. And also one more time, I'm gonna post my Threads account, the link of my Threads account here. I'll pin it. So if you want to support me, and which I really need your support, please follow me on Threads and also like my post and leave some comments here. Imagine if you do 1M payout on live stream. To be honest, those Apex account I did trade on live stream. Not every day, because at that time I'm not live streaming every day. But when I'm on live stream, those Apex account is the exact account I get the 1 million payout. Yes, on the lab. Oh, you remember that. Thank you. Yes, I also stream those accounts on the lab. So I did stream those 1 million payout on live stream. But still, people are not gonna believe it. Just remember one thing: if you can do something, doesn't mean other people can do it. And the opposite also, if other people can do it, doesn't mean you can't. You also can. You probably can. So just don't. Like, we are all unique, right? Every human being is unique. You don't have to be success like with the same method like others. So when somebody trading approach is different from you, it's not mean he or she is sucks or what. That means he's just using different methods to get their success, which dumbass can understand. Dumbass and trolls and haters will never understand. Thank you, Carrie. I can see that. Thank you, Carrie. Only 6 more likes. Oh, so should I get ready for the giveaway? Should I go to the duck race? Maybe we still keep dropping to the Asia low. Will you guys regret cutting the trade too early? Because I won't. Because I'm those people that I can totally leave a lot of profit on the table. So that's why it doesn't bother me at all. You can see, like, when I'm talking, I'm not bothering with this huge bearish move. But if it can get to my first target, but like price we chase to my break even without getting to my first target, I will be sad. So I'm that type of person. So, but if you are the opposite, you are the one who will hate yourself when you leave a lot of profit on the table, then you should keep taking partial, keep trail stop loss, and hold the trade till the end. So it also depends on your personality. And adjust your trading model, your trading approach with your personality, your lifestyle. $120 already. Okay, so chat, you know what to do, right? First, get in my Discord, join my Discord. I think most of you are already there. So I will post a link. There's a giveaway channel in my Discord. So I will post the link in that channel. We got 150K flex account from Lucid today. We can do it again tomorrow. So my plan is hosting giveaway for the whole week if we get a winning trade. Okay, first thing first, I need to get a winning trade. Okay, I just post the link of a Google form on that giveaway channel. For whoever who haven't joined my Discord, you can get the link in my info box. So I will like give you all 5 minutes for everyone can only enter once. Okay, don't use bots or any other stuff. Winning trade. I can't get into a second trading setup. That's why That's why we only got $300 each account. But at least it's a winning trade, right? I need it to trigger the giveaway. But I did like think about that. Can I hold the trade to here? I would say it's hard. I would say it's hard for me to hold it because I didn't scale in one more contract. So I was trading one NQ, and I can't take partial. I will have to close the trade with that position size. So when this retracement happen, I probably close the trade. So I will not get to here. But if I'm in two contracts, probably different. Yeah, I got the dark rays for you. Here. So, waiting all of you to fill in the form. I know you guys can hit the 120 likes. That's why we increased the likes. last week or previous week was 100 likes. Now we get to 120. We need to increase the standard every time, every week. Do you think still go lower? Well, it's possible, but we may get some retracement first. So it depends if you can hold your chase. Because we are right now in a 1 hour FVG. Oh, so ES didn't hit the HLO. I think it's 1 point, right? Just 1 point left to hit the HLO. Well, ES actually play this bearish move like a lot better than NQ. See, it's literally great. You can't trade futures or can't participate. Really? You can't trade futures? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is that because of the country's restriction? You hope your dad is looking for his dad in the race. All right. Is everyone's done register the giveaway? Because I will close the form. So 1 more minute for everyone to fill in. Because after closing, you can't get in anymore. How do you get added? What do you mean? You have to join my Discord, and inside my Discord, there's a giveaway channel. Just click that link, and you can get in. Okay, I am now closing the form. Let me. Okay. Give me some time. I'm adjusting everything. All right. No, I'm shy. exam. I'm shy. Sorry. I'm good to be just an audience. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Lumi is good, very good trader and live streamer. You should definitely watch her stream. She stream your session mainly. All right, so here we go. So there are 56 of you. How long are we gonna go at? 2? Oh, sorry. 20 minutes. I just clicked 20 minutes, sorry. Okay. Wow, got a lot of people here. So, good luck, everyone. Good luck. I'll let me play some background music for you. Good luck. And just say it before, whoever get the, let me hide the dashboard. Whoever get the win on these dark ways, you create a support ticket in my Discord to claim your prize. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Are you ready? Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Let's hype it up. Are you ready? Cool. Oops. Sorry, it was too loud, right? Start. Oh, who is Mike? G start chase investor 07. Gray here. Okay. Who's that? 214 red. It's gonna be first. Hand over Nick. Oh, that was fast. Alex. Andrew is here. Fight War. Winter. I don't know who's gonna win. Just got 1 minute for that. MMXM, you're here. Come on. Did you guys see your name? Did you guys see your name here? Which duck is yours? Cyrus is here. Kilo Roll. Ken. Why is your duck slow? I'm so sorry for that. Carl, Albert, Andrew is still here. Who is it? It's pretty much the same, to be honest. Come on, hurry it up. Herman's here. You can see your duck. I can see your duck too. Oh, who is that? 214 where? Tommy, Albert. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's that? Oh, Andrew! Congrats! For real. Oh my god. This is so random. And Andrew's been in this community for quite a long time. He's a long time supporter. Congratulations, Andrew. Are you here? You have to be here to claim the prize, huh? Please type something if you're here. Andrew, are you here? Oh my god, he's not here. Seriously? Come on, you have to type something. Okay, I saw you. I see you. Congratulations. Your duck list to hit the gym. Okay. That was great. The duck is so noisy. So, awesome. This was fun, right? We can do it again tomorrow if I get a winning chase, okay? First thing first, I gotta get a winning chase, no matter how much is that. If we need to trigger the giveaway, I need to get a W first. So, yeah. I will see you all tomorrow, same time at 2 a.m. Eastern time. I hope I can make more because today was not enough. $300, I'm really regretting. Didn't take more on this profit, but yeah, at least everyone got their W, right? And congratulations one more time, Andrew. Remember to claim your prize. Probably need to wait for a while because I'm going to the gym. So, and for anyone who tune in, no matter it's from the start or in the middle or just tune in, appreciate tuning in, and your support means a lot to me. I would really appreciate you if you can follow and like and leave some comments on my Threads social media platform. Link is in the pinned message. Really happy I'm able to chat with you here. We can talk about trades or personal lives or anything, or yeah, or haters or trolls. I hope you can, get your W again in NY session, but be careful. We got FOMC tonight, and we got some earnings on some like Google, Amazon. So be careful, okay? Always stay safe. Good luck with trading. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.